Update on my columns. I think the last time in the last video they were just pink foam. I got all the brickwork carved out. I got the stone carved out at the bottom. I got the brick painted, grout lines. I got them black washed or tea stain, whatever you call it. And then I took some moss colored paint and sort of tea stained it again with that. Still got to finish the tops on both of them, and I'm not sure what I'm going to do exactly, if I'm going to still put the gargoyles on there or go a different route with that. Waiting on find some lights to put on here, and Guy Plus suggested putting speakers in there, so I got a car stereo. I just need to find some rain speakers, and I might go ahead and do that. Sound like a good idea. But anyway, that's where they're at, so check them out. I could probably do some better crack work on them.
Worth they're not sold out. $5 to get in the trade show, and 40, or if you want to be one of the last 50 people, at the door for $50. Is there any sort of combo specials?
We do have a weekend package, and it includes the Friday night bus tour, trade show pass, weekend seminar pass.
On the floor, and we're really looking forward to offering zombie and a half zombie that's ripped off, guts hanging down, and we brought a prototype of the zombie last year. I've had this idea in my head for about 5 or 6 years now, and finally we got the prototype put together last year, brought it to the show. I actually thought it looked pretty crappy, and the idea.
Please leave a comment where you found this podcast. Each comment you leave will help spread the word to other haunters around the world. See
We will be providing.
Yeah.
Go down. here I am. Here's where I'm at on the columns. Got the bricks painted a little better. Put some trim at the top. Put some wood filler in there. I'd sand that down. Repaint that. Getting ready to spray some black paint down it. See how that comes out. Okay, well, I got some black wash done and put some moss color in it. I don't know if you can see it in this video or not. It's kind of dark in this garage. That's where I'm at. Just trying to put some depth into these stones at the bottom. Give them some kind of a more natural look.